Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let's say Inkscape crashes on you, or you closed it without saving or something on accident, and you're like, gosh, man, I just worked for hours on that. There is a way to get your file back. Inkscape does do periodic autosaves. So how to do that is you would go up here, you'd go to Edit, you'd go down here to Preferences. From Preferences, you'd go to Input Output, and then Autosave. And right here is where Inkscape autosaves your files. So you're just going to copy this whole address, copy it, open up a File Explorer window, click on this top line here, click over here, delete. Well, you don't even have to really delete that. Just click that because you copied it to your clipboard. And this is your autosave folder. This is everything Inkscape has ever autosaved for you on a crash. Hope that was helpful. It's helped me out. I have worked for hours on something and lost it. So anyway, let's move on to the next lesson.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks masterclass to track you sales, our complete CNC plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.